Hey beautiful people, my name's Amanda and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a glowy summer look and so I hope you enjoy. So first I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Professional Paris Step 1 Skin Equalizer, and it's really good for oily skin because it's a mattifying base. Throughout the day your skin won't get oily even though the look for today is a glowy look. Sometimes an oily look isn't cute, you know? Like, you know the oily look where like your oils get stuck right here and like around your nose? I honestly think that's not a look. I think the glowy look in the right places is good, and so if you have oily skin, this is a really good primer. And then after that, I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty in shade 200 and I'm just going to use the foundation as concealer because I honestly think that concealer and foundation, they're like basically the same thing. I just put foundation under my eyes and around the redness. Since that is my sister's shade, I'm going to put a little bit of concealer, and so I'm just going to mix this so it's my shade. So I'm just going to put this around my cheeks. And then I'm going to put the actual foundation color under my eyes. Then I'm taking this beauty blender and the Blend Professional Set and Refresh Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. And I'm just going to spray the beauty blender and then I'm just going to blend it out. And then now I'm going to set my foundation in place with powder. And so I'm using the Maybelline New York in shade 02. Whoa, do you see that? Do you see that? That's freaking dope. And I'm just going to take the tiniest bit of powder and I'm just going to put that all over my face. Now I'm going to contour my face and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. And I'm going to choose this shade. I'm going to contour and chisel my cheekbones. Everyone contours differently because everyone has different cheekbones. And so how I contour my face is I go like this. And then you see the shadows right here. And I just contour right there. And you always want to contour up. Now I'm going to set my face using the Blend Professional Set and Refresh Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. Now I'm going to use that Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to use the shade Sunburst to put on my cheekbones. Now I'm going to go to my eyebrows. First, I'm going to use this spoolie to brush out my eyebrow hairs. Then I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Their Brow Pomade in shade Ebony. I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows so we can have a more defined look. I don't make any harsh movements, I just lightly do it so it can have a more natural look. Now I'm going to put a little bit of concealer under my brows just to clean it up a little bit. I'm using this matte concealer in shade NC20 and I'm just going to use this to clean up my brows. Now I'm going to use a sweat resistant clear brow gel and I use this to put my eyebrow hairs in place. Now I'm going to use the Too Faced Insurance 24-Hour Anti-Crease Eyeshadow Primer. And I'm going to put that on my eyelid and below my lash line. Now I'm going to go into the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and I'm going to choose the shade Musk as a base for my eyes. So I'm just going to put this all over my eyes. See, eyeshadow is my biggest weakness when it comes to makeup, and so I am not the best with blending and with eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go into Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to take the shade Burnt Orange, and I'm just going to put that on the outer part of my eyes like a smoky eye. And then I'm going to go into the Morphe 35OM palette. I'm going to choose this bronzy contour shade. I'm just going to lightly put that all over my lids. And that's it. Then I'm taking that palette again and I'm going to go into this darker brown color. I'm just going to line my eyes on top like eyeliner. This part can be really messy because you're going to blend it out anyways. And then I'm going to take this smaller brush and I'm going to blend it out. And then after eyeshadow, I'm going to curl my lashes using this eyelash curler. And then now I'm using the Kat Von D tattoo liner and I'm just going to line my eyelash line. Now I'm going to put on mascara using the Voluminous Lash Paradise. You don't have to do this since it's the summer and it's really hot and a lot of things can go wrong, but I like to wear false lashes because it just makes my eyes look a lot bigger, and I have really short eyelashes, so I'm just going to wear these false lashes. Oh, I lost them. Where did it go? Oh, it's right here. Okay. I got them from Sephora and I just cut 1/4 of it away, and so it's a little bit shorter and so it won't fit all the way, but I'm going for that floatery look. After I put on my false lashes, I'm going to use the Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner again. I'm just going to fill in the little gaps in between my real lashes and the fake eyelashes. After that, I'm going to curl the lashes together. Then I'm going to use this flat brush again, and I'm going to go back into the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm going to choose the shade Musk again, and I'm just going to put that under my lower lash line around the outer part. I feel like this part really completes the look all together. After that, I'm going to use the CoverGirl Waterproof Hydro Fudge. I'm going to put a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes, but I don't like to put a lot. I just like to put the tiniest bit on there. Just like that. Now I'm going to use this NARS lipstick in the shade Appeline, and I'm just going to warm it up with my finger, and I'm going to put that on the apples of my cheeks because I like to use lipstick as blush. If you don't have creamy blush, then you can just definitely opt for a lipstick shade. I tried using liquid lipstick the other day and it did not work out, so if you're going to use lipstick as blush, I totally recommend lipstick, not liquid lipstick. Now I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Bombshell. And then after that, I'm going to use the Pink Ice Shiny Gloss from Rue 21. And this was given to me as a homecoming gift from my ex. And so thank you so much for giving me this. I still use it because I don't miss you, but because I absolutely love this lip gloss. It really just gives it that glowy, glossy look. And that is my summer glowy makeup look. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you want to see next, subscribe, and also don't forget to click the bell button so you can be notified every single time I post a new video. And also shout out to Sandra for being active on all of my posts, and thank you so much for supporting me. I appreciate it a ton. Stay positive, don't settle for less, and I will see you next time.